Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well and you all are safe and keeping yourself occupied through the quarantine period. If you're here through my Instagram, chances are you already know my obsession to do with the city Bombay and my extreme love for it. I've wanted to visit this city since I was a 5-year-old girl, and here it was really coming true. It was happening, and it just felt so surreal. I couldn't believe it well into the trip. Do watch the complete video if you're a Bombay lover just like me. Like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and do give me a follow on my Instagram. The link will be there in the description box below. Places to stay are not reasonable in Bombay, and most places were booked when we landed at night into the city. We were lucky to find this simple, spacious, clean place in Khar, and that is very close to Bandra and the linking road. Location of this Airbnb was ideal. It was close to the fancy upmarket areas of Pali Hill and just about a 5-minute walk away from the linking road market. Just about a 5 to 7 minute auto rickshaw ride away from all the amazing eateries at Bandra. And most importantly for me, it is a short rickshaw ride away from Bandstand. It also had a common kitchen area, and that's a very important feature for Sandeep and me since we are very particular about brewing our own coffee at least 2 to 3 times a day. So yeah, that was an added bonus. I am editing this video through the COVID lockdown, and this footage just makes me miss the Bandra streets so much. Okay, so this spot is my absolute favorite, especially through the evening time. It's bandstand, and I was obsessed with sitting outside Shah Rukh Khan's house and having chana jor garam and bhel puri every evening. At this point in time, it was low tide, so the water is far away if you look carefully. But on other days when the high tide is on, the water literally reaches till the stairs right here. Salman Khan's house is also just about a 2-minute walk down from here. If you ever happen to come here, make sure you go to Hirsch Bakery. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but it was amazing for quick snacking. From here, we are heading to MMRDA grounds in Bandra Kurla complex to collect Sandeep's bib for the Tata Mumbai Marathon. Another thing that really struck me was that auto rickshaw rides are way more reasonable here in Bombay when compared to Delhi. So there were actually times when we paid just about 18 to 25 rupees, and that is very surprising for most Delhi people. And we're back to our Airbnb. This is the linking road, known for its street shopping, especially for footwear and for reasonable clothing. I bought a few sandals ranging from about rupees 200 to 400, 500. We were really exhausted by now and wanted to have a quick and reasonable dinner. So from here we went to Candies in Bandra. You may have heard of it a lot of times. It's a beautiful cafe, and especially to enjoy a breezy evening here up on the terrace, it's really very dreamy, and with all the fairy lights and all the yummy desserts, it was a really nice evening. weird reason. That's nothing new at all. I had a dark chocolate mousse here as well. I can never get past chocolate and try something new ever. Post dinner, we were just strolling around in the area at Pali Hen and we spotted the Karachi bakery. And we've heard so much about it, so we just thought we'll just walk in. And there are so many biscuit options to choose from, and we tried the buttery ones. I think you should definitely give it a shot. Karachi bakery is in a lot of other cities as well, but this outlet really had some yummy options to choose from. At this point in time, we were just about to crash for the day, but I think we both were just so excited and we had envisioned this since many months. So we rested and then we got up and actually took an auto rickshaw to the seaside back at Bandstand again to be able to experience the evening at Bandstand. And we enjoyed our chana jor garam and chai right at the seaside, and that's something I miss so much even now.
भी चले ठंड लग रही है
So if I'm holding the camera, then I'm covering, then I'm covering the lens.
हाँ सीधा करना
तो फिर मतलब
फिर क्या
सीधा कर मतलब
अबे लेंथ वाइज
ये YouTube के लिए बनाती हूँ, उस पर लैंडस्केप करनी होती है.
कर ले
की वेट कर हमने स्विमिंग भी कर ली हमने जिम भी इस्तेमाल कर लिया